Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Chef Made. Hope you like today's recipe Pindi Chole. We will start off with making one potli, for which we will require cinnamon stick, black cardamom, bay leaf, red chili and 1 teaspoon of tea. After which we will continue with chopping our onion, which will be roughly chopped, followed by 2 tomatoes, again roughly chopped. So friends, next step is to boil chickpea, which has been soaked overnight. And we will cook until 1 whistle. So friends, now take a fresh pan and 3 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of coarse ginger garlic paste. Add onion and cook until translucent. Also don't forget to add half bay leaf and 2 green cardamom. After that we will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder just for the color, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, you can add water to cook the spice if required. After which add tomatoes, salt to taste. Let it cook until it releases oil. And try to use the same water which we have used for boiling chickpea. Once the onion and the tomatoes are nicely cooked, add chickpeas. Now add the most important ingredients, which is pomegranate seeds, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala or as per your taste. Next step is to mash some of the chana and then simmer it for 5 to 7 minutes. I have also added slit green chili and some grated nutmeg. So in the end we will add fresh coriander leaves. After which our dish will be ready, as you can see in the screen. So guys, thank you for watching our today's recipe Pindi Chole, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Chef Made. My dear friends, always remember to maintain a social distancing and wear a mask whenever you go out. Thank you and have a great day.